Throughout history, cementing materials has played a vital role. It was used widely in the ancient world. The Greeks and Romans used a cruder form to fortify their buildings and structures, but it wasn't until Joseph Aspin patented Portland cement in 1824 that we achieved the cement that we know today. To make cement, you must quarry the raw materials, mainly limestone and clay, and feed them into a cement kiln. The kiln heats to 2,700 degrees Fahrenheit, and as the material moves through the kiln, certain elements are driven off in the form of gases. The remnants unite to form a new substance called clinker, and clinker is then discharged after cooling and is mixed with small amounts of gypsum and limestone, and then your cement is ready to use. This is a scanning electron microscope image of cement. As discussed before, limestone and clay are the main ingredients we use, but back in the day, Romans used volcanic rocks and liquid mortar. The principles are still the same, but we are more effectively heating and grinding our raw materials. The only way we can improve cement more is if we could fix the manufacturing process itself to reduce energy consumption and lessen CO2 emissions. Now to consider limestone, cement's most important material. This is one of the many places you'd find limestone. You wouldn't guess it, but it's actually added to flour for our calcium levels. You also need limestone to make ceramics and certain metals. It's used to make cups, saucers, teapots, and more. You guessed it, limestone's also used for pigment making for paints and as a filler for polymers and resins. Limestone is most popular known for its use in glass making. You have to combine it with sand in high temperature to produce results. And lastly, what I found the most interesting is that it's used in preparing clothes that use cotton and wool, more specifically the dyes and washing powders for those clothes.
Nobody knows exactly when humans first discovered limestone, but ancient occupants of Earth used limestone rocks to protect their fireplaces. Limestone can be found in shallow water areas of our oceans, including the Caribbean Sea, the Indian Ocean, the Gulf of Mexico, and around the Pacific Ocean. Limestone is formed in two ways. Coral, clams, and other creatures use CaCO3 found in seawater to create their shells and bones. When they die, they are broken down by waves, creating limestone from the pressure of the water. The second way limestone is formed is when water with CaCO3 evaporates. Leftover sediment is pressured by water, leaving behind limestone. By spreading agricultural lime onto soil, limestone is capable of neutralizing some of the acid in the soil. It can be also used for making cement with clay by concrete mixing with sand, water, and crushed rock. And it appears in glass-making industry in our modern world by heated with sand and soda. Limestone can be used as building material of iron for construction as well. Acquiring limestone is big business, but it must be balanced with economic and social effects. Limestone provides increased job opportunities, but the heavy industry also creates noise, traffic, and damaging environmental effects. An interesting fact about limestone is that it can undergo metamorphosis, turning into marble. Thanks for watching. Bye!